Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math question 30. The solid below is made up of 3 identical cubes. Part A. If the solid has a volume of 648 cubic centimeters, find the length of each cube. And the second part, find the total surface area of the solid. As you can see, these two cubes are glued together. So first, part A, total volume. (648 cubic centimeters). Each cube (648 divided by 3). 648 divided by 3. 216 cubic centimeters. And since 216 equals, we find the cube root of 216. We find the cube root. 6. So 216 equals 6 times 6 times 6, which is 6 to the power of 3. So each side of the cube, the length of each cube 6 centimeters. Okay, part B. The 3 cubes, in their separate cases, have a total of 18 faces, because each cube 6. So if they are separated, total will be 18 faces. But in the figure, they are in contact with each other 2 by 2. 2 by 2. So I think it's easy for you guys to understand that number of faces will not be 18. So each face 6 times 6, 36 square centimeters, and number of faces exposed to us. That means we can see faces. 18 minus 2 times 2. Why? Because 2 opposite faces, they're glued together, so we cannot see these 2 faces and these 2 faces. Total will be 4. So 18 minus 4 faces that we cannot see. The remaining 14 faces. And total, hence, the total surface area. Total surface area 36 square centimeters times 14. Use the calculator. 36 times 14. 504. 504 square centimeters. Part B. Part A. Answer A, 6 centimeters, and part B, 504 square centimeters. Okay, do remember, because opposite faces are glued together, so we cannot see them. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.